In 1990, two thieves pulled off the greatest art heist in history by simply knocking on the door. They dressed as Boston police officers, walked up to the Gardner Museum at 1 in the morning. The guards let them right in. Once inside, they handcuffed the guards, spent 81 minutes stealing $500 million worth of art, Vermeer, Rembrandt, priceless masterpieces. 34 years later, despite a $10 million reward, nobody knows who did it. The empty frames still hang on the walls, waiting for paintings that may never come home.